Hello, is your one and only sister AB Media, AB Media, AB Media. I hope you guys are doing well today. Happy. I hope you guys are happy. I hope you guys are doing well. My subscriber, thank you for wonderful things. You guys are so good. You guys are doing for me. Many things you guys are doing for me. I appreciate so much, so much, so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for my new subscriber. God bless you guys for subscribing to my channel, for sharing my video. More blessing to you, more blessing, more blessing, more blessing to you guys. So today I bring a little thing that is disturbing my head. I'm watching out. Sometimes I hear news. Sometimes I check a lot of things that is happening in Africa. I don't know how I can start, where I can, but I'm start somewhere. I'm going to start somewhere. There's a lot of things where they bother me. I feel use broken. I feel like I'm as I want. You understand me? Anyhow, when I go understand the thing, I will speak out. Okay? A lot of things don't they happen. A lot they happen for African leaders. A lot of things is happening for African leaders. They used to travel many worlds. They used to travel many countries. They used to go to many countries, go to many places, and see the way the country they look like. I don't know why they cannot do the same thing they see outside country. The same place they go. They don't cannot do the same thing in our African countries. They will see the road is looking good. The road is very beautiful. The road is there's no dirty outside. But in African leaders, when they see it, they will close their eyes like this. They don't care. They just care about their self, their families. They don't care about outsiders. They don't care about the people they in the group. Only them. The money now for their pocket. They go just they put them for their pocket. They chop the money. They chop the money. They enjoy the money. They don't care about the people where them they rule. And we self, we they fuck up. If you know, say this one, any vote one go dey vote for any places where they go say, they want to do government. They want to do this. If they say make them give you money, make them do it. Don't collect money. What we need is a very good leader. A leader who can stand for us. A leader who will do as a leader. Not a leader who will be pocketing the money for his pocket. Not be a leader who go say he go dey put the money, only their money, only the money they need, only to put for their pocket, enjoy their money, have houses in many countries, have hotel in many places. They don't care about us. We have to use our brain. We have to use our brain. Use your brain, you yourself. If you go vote for them, then give you bag of rice. One time, you vote of them finish. After voting for them, they are not going to work. My sister, my brother, if you want to vote any all these president, governors, vote for your own choice where you know say this one can work. Because some of them go use sweet mouth the first time. When they enter there, they go turn to tiger. They will turn to another thing. They don't care about the people they are leading. What they care about their pockets. When you go to Africa's road, you will see the road is very dirty. The road is not good. When you see the road will look at like another thing. You'll be surprised. And you see governors, you will see governors, you will see them, they moving, passing there. They don't care. Some of them, they don't pass there because na flights they are going to take care. They don't reach where they are going. They don't care about us. What they care about themselves. About themselves is what they care. Enjoying the money alone. Enjoying the money alone. They don't know poor people exist for this world. I don't know for them. Sometimes I wonder, okay, look at Nigeria now as an example. Do you know that the east side, they don't have train that is going that place? There's no train that is moving around east. Igbo side, there's no train. Lagos, they have their own train. They are going Kano. Going to many places from Lagos. They have their own train. Look at now the president of Nigeria now say that they want to build train from Kano to Niger. There's some things, I don't understand people. I don't understand them all. You never do for your own people. Where you will say you call yourself as a Nigerian government or Nigerian president. You call yourself as a leader. You know this thing, your country you never build for your own places. You never even build for East people. They never build for Igbo people. They never build to them. But you are built for your place. They are built to Abuja, this. You never build to many places in East. But you want to go and build for Kano to Niger. They beg you, they need train because they are your people. Is why you want to do like that. Where your people, their own people need them, your own people, where you claim yourself as a leader in Nigeria, you have to do all those things. Your own people never survive, you never do for them, and you want to go and build train from Kano to Niger. There's some certain things. All this I don't know. It's just what I noticed that in Nigeria is that anything in their head they want to do, they will just do it. They don't care who give them mouth to speak, who give people mouth to speak. You don't want people to speak. You just they do as you want, anything you want. Forget that you're ruining people. It's people that vote you there because they trust you to work for them. They trust you. They want you to work for them. They want you to work well. It's why they vote you. But you forget the time you need the vote, where you're promising them a lot of things. You are going to do this. I'm going to do that for you. I'm going to do this for you people. I'm going to do that for you people. All the promise that you promise, it fail. When you enter there, you will turn to tiger. You don't want people to talk. You don't do something for the people. Look at the Niger, they are in their own. You want to build train. Why your people, they never even have the train. You want to build train to Kano to Niger. As what? I don't understand you. East, they never have even one train for 1 second. Lagos have train. Abuja have. So why you no build train for? Why you no build train for East people? Never. Because you don't care. You just care about only. You know what I noticed in all this president and governors? They just this morning. I don't know this morning if anything happened to them, they are going to use that money and bury them and put them in the grave. I don't know. Then forget that anything can happen. You see this God don't sleep. This morning, everybody's looking for fighting, looking of the money, packing it and putting it in somewhere. If anything happen, bam, everybody is gone. This money will not take it to heaven. You will not even carry it to anywhere. You will not even. You will be looking at the money. Your spirit will be looking at the money. You will not see the money. You will not see even to touch the money. You cannot touch it because that time you're already gone. And you're packing the money. Forget the poor ones. I don't know the kind of thing. I don't know where we are going. I don't know. All this life, all these things we are doing, it is not good. We have to change. We have to know that we are leading. You're leading people. Know that you're leading people. You're not alone. You're leading people. As a leader, do as a leader. As a leader, do as a leader. Don't do like you're not leading anybody. And the worst thing that is happening to many of us, the people that they are leading, we don't care about what they are doing. But we have to care because we have a lot of graduates, there's no work for them. A lot of graduates in Nigeria, a lot of them, there's no job. Everybody wants to travel. Everybody wants to travel outside. Everybody wants to travel. Because there's no money. People are hungry. All these politicians, they're just putting money in their pockets. They don't care about the poor ones. They're just putting on pocket the money. They don't care. Enjoying with their kids, give them houses. They have many places. Because the poor ones, they don't have who can speak for them. Because the poor ones, they don't know what they are going to do, where they are going to start. You people are just there enjoying yourself. You don't care about the poor ones. You do think that God is sleeping? My dear, Remember, it's the God that created you. Everything you're doing is God that created you. One day you will leave this money and go. This money they cannot use it and put in the grave. Never. All this money you're looking for, there's nothing. Nothing, I'm telling you. And God is so great. Is why God passes us. God is not a human being like us. God is a great God. And is why I used to praise God forever, because there's no one like him at all. If you look at our things, the sin that we are committed, if God look at our sin, we are committed, even the ones that we are committed in secret, God not supposed to even do something for us. Even these breaths that we're breathing like this, we're supposed to give God to praise every day. If in a human being they give us this breath, if it's a human they give us, all the human beings they give us this breath, or somebody now they give us this breath, I know if we don't change, this world will don't turn to another thing. But it's God is giving us. And the kind of thing we are committed in God's hands. A lot of things that we are doing in secret, what we take no one serious, and God used to see us. And God used to see us, and God still forgive us. And God will put you in a position to help people, to care about people. You will turn to tiger there. You think that nobody will talk because they don't have mouth. They are not a human being. Because they don't have who can speak for them. My dear, if you are doing that, you have to change. If you are a leader, lead well. If you are a leader, make you lead well. As a leader, you lead well. You don't need to be leading as a wickedness to the people that you lead. You don't have to showing them that you are in power. Anything you like, you can do. They are human being like you too. And you cannot stay there forever. Know that one day you're coming to come down. And one day, everything will go. You'll be seeing everything in spirit. You cannot know what to do. You'll be saying, are you this? You will leave everything go. So just know that one. Is why I say, let me talk. It's too much. African leaders, I bet more that they lead well. Now people now they rule. Now know they rule animals. We are reading a human being. You are not reading animals. You people are reading people. Human being like you. You don't read animals. So know something good to do for them. Know something good to do for people. Do something good for people. So people will be appreciated. You people are that causing problem all over the world. African leaders, let me tell you people. If you don't make your people to be traveling everywhere, every country you go, they will say this Africa, they used to. If you make your country to be good, they will not be traveling up and down. If you give them a job, there's light, what they are looking for outside. But you don't give them a work, there's no work, there's no job. How do you expect the person to stay? Is you people are the problem in Africa. Leaders, very bad leaders Africa have. If you can hear. If you don't want to hear, please help me to share this video. Wicked leaders, African leaders. May God have mercy upon you people. And I pray to you people to repent. Because this life is small. You cannot stay here forever. We are going to go one day. God bless you as you share this my message. God bless you as you subscribe to my channel. More blessings to your family. More blessings to you. Love you all. Bye-bye.